You've been using Excel for years. You can VLOOK up, you can pivot, you can build charts. But every time you need to update your report, you spend hours refreshing data, reformatting tables, and copying numbers across sheets. There's a better way. It's called Power BI, and in this video, I'll show you exactly why you need to make the switch and how to get started. What Excel does well, and where it falls short. Excel is brilliant for calculations, one-off analysis, and small datasets. But it struggles with large volumes of data, real-time refreshes, and sharing reports across teams. Spreadsheets break when multiple people edit them. Formulas become a maintenance nightmare. Updating a monthly report can take hours instead of seconds. That's where Power BI steps in. What Power BI does that Excel cannot? Power BI connects directly to your data sources, SQL databases, SharePoint, Salesforce, Google Analytics, Excel files, and refreshes automatically on a schedule you set. One dashboard. Always up to date. No manual copy and paste. It handles millions of rows of data without crashing. And it creates interactive visualizations that users can filter and explore themselves, something static Excel charts simply cannot do. The career difference in 2025. Job listings for data analyst and business intelligence roles increasingly list Power BI as a required skill, not a nice to have. Candidates who only know Excel are competing against candidates who know Excel and Power BI. The Power BI candidates win, and they earn more. Power BI skills can add 10 to 20% extra to your annual salary in a business intelligence role. How hard is it to learn Power BI if you know Excel? Easier than you think. If you understand pivot tables, you already understand the mental model behind Power BI visuals. If you've used Excel formulas, DAX, Power BI's formula language will feel familiar within a few weeks. Most Excel users reach basic Power BI competence in 4 to 6 weeks of consistent practice. Real-world Power BI use cases. Sales dashboards that update daily, no manual work. Financial P&L reports that CFOs can drill into by region or product. Our workforce analytics showing headcount, attrition, and performance trends. Marketing campaign dashboards pulling from Google Ads and CRM data simultaneously. Once built, these dashboards run themselves. Where to start? Download Power BI Desktop for free from Microsoft's website. Connect it to an Excel file you already have. Rebuild one of your existing Excel reports in Power BI. Once you see it work, you'll never go back. Uplatz's Power BI courses cover DAX, Power Query, data modeling, and report publishing, taking you from Excel user to Power BI analyst step by step. Don't let Excel hold back your career. Power BI is the skill that will set you apart in any data or business analyst role in 2025. Head to Uplatz.com to find our Power BI courses and start building dashboards that impress. Like this video if it was useful, and subscribe for more practical business tech content.